All right, guys. So I just wanted to make a video. I miscalculated the entry on this one. USDCHF. Yeah, it's a rollover situation. Yes, I was looking for this drop down pullback going on here. But this entry off of pivot, so this is where I estimated it would be, and it ended up being higher. So it's over here somewhere, right here to be exact. Anyways, so this is off. We can get rid of this. You guys can go to the other videos to see exactly how I got that set up and came up with that estimation. Um, but we did have a pullback to this area, and we could have played off of a previous area that we thought was interesting. So this pullback and then drop down, and so let me show you. There is a play here. I wonder why it's pushed down like that. Oh, here we go. That's what happened. There's a play off of this level, this key level here, and we barely would have gotten triggered in right here, that bar. Okay, this is the play. This is the advanced play. This is the, and then we go to previous low, pretty much right in here somewhere. And then this can be down to this level-ish. So like a 3% type of play. And that's the entry. So I missed the entry. The entry that I expected down in here was incorrect. It's actually up here, and it gives us like a nice little head and shoulder situation. It's not a clean head and shoulder. It might be on other time frames. Let's look. I don't really have anything here. It's kind of ugly. And then I knew the daily wasn't going to be anything to look at. There we go. So you don't see like a overall heavy head and shoulder type of situation, but we did have this rollover followed by this. It's kind of a lower high, almost same level, but a little bit lower price action wise. So this versus that, and rollover. So we got a lot of momentum to the downside, is what I'm saying. Not a lot. I would say slightly bearish on this play. So we might drop in. We might hit this 200 EMA, which would be nice right now. Something like that. 3.5. It's really nice. Problem is I wasn't set up for that. I had a guess in my mind of where we would actually enter here. And as a result, my risk reward ratio was kind of jacked up, and it was like a 1.6, I believe. It just overall was not a good entry. This is an example of understanding and very clearly what the direction of the market is, but getting in at the wrong time or kind of shaping it up to get in at the wrong time. And so that means something. And just wanted to show you guys this. This is a common pitfall. This is the type of thing that I really, really love about training. This whole stuff. Training in this way allows me to understand what went wrong and how I can improve my game. So, yeah, maybe I didn't make money off of this trade, but I also didn't lose money. But I did take away a big lesson and a big understanding as to how price action works and where I really want to get in. Where you get in is everything. Managing the trade is important as well, obviously, but for me, a big part of what dictates whether I'm trading well or not is me picking entries. And so I just want to kind of bring that to the mix and add value that way. All right, peace.